let's take a closer look at the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man or origin story. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man or origin story. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys were able to cop this sneaker. How do you feel about this sneaker? Is this a must cop? Are you guys gonna see the Spider-Man movie? Yo guys, I'm Danny Moore, back with a brand new video. Today we're gonna start off in my car because I'm going to pick up a pair of shoes that dropped today at the mall. Before we get into this video, I do have a giveaway going on the channel. We're on the grind to 5,000 subscribers. That is the goal before the end of the year. Hopefully we can do it. That would be amazing. So when I hit 5,000 subscribers, I'm choosing a bunch of you guys to win Supreme Box Logo stickers, and I'm giving away a brand new black Supreme headband. If you guys want to enter the giveaway, all you need to do is subscribe to this YouTube channel, drop a like on this video, comment your Instagram username and done down below in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on Twitter. When you're on my Instagram, check out this post right here. Like this post, tag 3 friends in the comment section, and that is it. You're entered in the giveaway. I'm going to choose the giveaway winners from that Instagram post. Alright, so the shoe we're going to go pick up today is the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man. There's a few different nicknames for them. These shoes are very, very similar to the Air Jordan 1 Chicago, just a little bit different, a few different details than the Chicago ones. They look really, really nice. However, I'm not really crazy about the icy bottom. Icy bottom on a Jordan 1, to me, it's a little weird. I'm not used to it. I'm not really sure if I could rock with it. I don't know. These ones, though, I think I'm going to go ahead and let them go. I think I'm going to sell them. I know there's going to be some resale, so I'm going to make some money on them. That's pretty dope. I also won the semi-frozen yellow 350s as well, but I'm going to be honest, nah, I'm not going to pick them up. I don't feel like I'm going to make really any money where it's even really worth paying the $220. It's a size 9.5, which is good, because I don't even want the shoe. I think they're very, very ugly. It's currently 11:59, about to be 12 o'clock, and so the Dornbecker collection drops in just a few seconds. Hopefully we could take a W on the Nike sneakers app. That would be dope. I'm just going to go for the Jordans. I don't feel like anything else is really worth going for. I'm not crazy about any of the Dornbecker collection this year. I think it's kind of weak, in my opinion. Definitely not a great year for Dornbecker collection. I'm going to go for the Jordan. I always go for the Jordan every year. Retail $190. It's a Jordan 15. I'm not really crazy about it. I do like the black and the gold. Just the Jordan 15 I'm not crazy about. So I'm going to go after them. Hopefully take a W in a few minutes. I don't know if it's first come, first serve or the draw. It's probably the draw. Maybe. We'll see. Oh, no, it's not. Wow. Okay. Maybe no, it's not the draw. I'm going to do shipping. We're going to do next day. I want to get these shits fast. I'll pay the $15 for shipping. Buy now. Put in my passcode. Hopefully take a W. Oh, Nike. That would be amazing. I do have 2 Nike accounts that I use, so I'm going to definitely sign into both. Alright, so we got one. Oh, I'm in line. Never mind, I'm not even going to sign into the other one. I'm in line right now, pending. Hopefully, we take this into a W. That would be dope. While we're pending, let's go pick up these Air Jordan 1 Spider-Mans. I'm really excited to see these in hand. Let's go get them.
A few minutes later.
And just like that, sold out. Very, very quick. Oh well, another L, but it is what it is. At least we don't have to wait all day with our L's, so it is what it is. Thanks, Nike, for the L. Okay, so we made it to the mall. I'm not going to bring the camera in. First of all, it's Saturday. It's definitely busy. Christmas time, gonna be mad busy. Also, I'm not sure if the mall, Foot Locker even allows filming. This is not my normal mall. Even my Foot Locker doesn't allow me to film, so I don't know if I'm gonna bring it. So I don't know if they're gonna allow me to film in there, so I'm not even gonna do it. Show you guys right here on my phone. Oh, I gotta turn the brightness up. I'll show you guys right. Boom. We got 2 reservations. The frozen yellows are by me, so I can go to basically by my house and go get them. They're like 15 minutes away by my mall. By me. Over here is 45 minutes where I just drove, and that's where I got the ones. So that's pretty dope there. Let's go pick up these ones. I'm really excited to see them in hand. I'm definitely gonna sell them, but I definitely want to see them in hand. Maybe do a review. We'll see if I do that. If I do, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe right now. Guys, hit that subscribe button right now. Drop a like on this video. Let me go pick up these Air Jordan 1s. Before we go in the mall, let me show you guys what's on feet. On feet today, the Bread V2. I wear them basically every day. They're still beaters. I just wear them every single day. So comfortable, look fresh. I'm gonna go in the mall. I'll be right back. Let me go pick up these ones, and let's take a look at the Spider-Man Air Jordan 1s. Let me know right now. Leave a comment down below. Did you pick these up today? We got them. All right, let's take a look at these. I'm really excited to see them. Foot Locker made me actually look at them to check and make sure to prove that they were good. So I guess they started doing that, I guess because, you know, mess-ups happen with shoe releases. So I guess, you know, they just let me check them. But all right, take a look and let's see what we got.
Perfect. 2 hours later.
Let's take a closer look at the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man or Origin Story. So the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man or Origin Story, I'm going to call it Spider-Man because I definitely think this reminds me of Spider-Man, and it's themed around Spider-Man, the movie, around the movie, so I definitely am going to call these the Spider-Mans. These released today, Friday, December 14th, for a retail price of $160. These shoes were a little bit limited, I think a little bit more limited than what people thought. A lot of places got them, but I don't think they got as many pairs as people were anticipating. So let's take a closer look at the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man. So the Spider-Man Air Jordan 1 reminds me a lot of the Chicago 1. It has that Chicago colorway, but there are differences between this sneaker and the classic Air Jordan 1 Chicago. Some differences between this sneaker and the Air Jordan 1 Chicago. Start off, take a look at the red leather wrapping around the sneaker. There is some detailing throughout. It reminds me kind of like spider webs, I guess, in a way. I guess little shoots of spider webs, and it looks really nice. In certain lighting, it definitely pops. You can see it sometimes reflecting off, but it's definitely really nice on this leather. The back ankle area features a very nice black textured leather. It's very smooth to the touch. That is very different than the Chicago. The Chicago one just have a smooth leather. This has more texture to it. A major difference is definitely that Nike swoosh. It is black leather, but as you guys can see, it does have that patent leather type material around it. It feels like patent leather, and it looks like it, and it shines just like patent leather. I'm not sure if it is patent leather. I definitely want to say it is, but it's really nice, and it shines, and it's definitely different than the Chicago's. The tongue features Nike Air in red with a blue tag. The Chicago has white. I really like that blue touch. It definitely reminds me of Spider-Man, and it's a really nice touch there on the tongue, and it really pops and stands out. On the inside, you have Nike Air in red with a blue insole. That outsole, icy blue, baby. I'm not sure how I really feel about the icy blue outsole on the Jordan 1. On the Jordan 11, I think it really fits. On the Jordan 1, I'm not sure how crazy I am about it because it's definitely going to yellow, and I'm not sure how this shoe is going to look yellow. I definitely wish they gave us some type of graphic on the bottom as well to do with Spider-Man. That would have been sick to see. But like I said, I'm not crazy about that icy blue outsole. I wish we had a solid colored outsole on this sneaker. The toe has a tumbled leather. It's very nice to the touch. In the midsection of the sneaker, you also have a very nice tumbled leather on both sides. Very tumbled to the touch and feels and looks very nice. The Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man or Origin Story also comes with an extra set of laces. They are red laces with blue lace tips. So this is the Air Jordan 1 Spider-Man or Origin Story. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you guys were able to cop this sneaker. How do you feel about this sneaker? Is this a must cop? Are you guys gonna see the Spider-Man movie? Let me know. Are you guys gonna see the Spider-Man movie when it comes out? I definitely am. I really like Spider-Man. I really like this shoe. It's really nice. Like I said, I'm just not crazy about that icy blue outsole. I definitely think they did a really good job on it. I think details are really nice. I'm not sure why they went with the Chicago colorway, because now I feel like we're not going to get the Chicagos back for quite a while. Yeah, we had them back, and I want to say, I think it was 2013. But I kind of want them back. But this is a really, really nice shoe. Really, really well done, Jordan Brand. I definitely think they did a really nice job. And that movie looks really, really good. And this is just a great way to promote the movie. Do a dope shoe. Hey, I'm all for it. Give us more sneakers that are movie themed, please. I'm really, really all for that. And they did a really good job on this sneaker. Leave a comment down below. I absolutely love hearing from you guys. I really want to know what you guys think about this shoe, and if you think these are dope or you think these are trash, let me know. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button. Do not forget to enter the giveaway. We are on the grind to 5,000 subscribers. That is the goal by the end of the year. Hopefully we can do it. I do want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. We're always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.